Hi everybody, don't mind the knife. Let me put that back really quick. Welcome to the first ever episode of Cooking with AK. How's everybody doing today? So today, what we're gonna be doing, we're cooking eggs. Yeah boy. So what we need, pan, spray on butter, any kind, doesn't matter. As long as shit doesn't stick to the pan. Our pan, big pan, little pan, doesn't matter. Just as long as it fits eggs. Eggs. And actual butter. Those are the ingredients. So, for the pan, it's pretty self-explanatory. We need the pan and the pan. Shake up the pan. So, shake up the pan. Spray it on the pan. Get a nice layer. Get a nice layer on there for you, boy. And then, what we're gonna do next, right? I'm making 5 eggs. You can make however many you want. We wanna open, and we wanna crack those boys in the pan. Hell yeah. Alright, I'm gonna fast forward to me cracking all the eggs, and I will be back in 3.5 seconds. We're back. So we got the eggs, and the secret ingredient to making this taste good is a single piece of eggshell. Alright, so now what we want to do, we want to get a stick of butter. You want to cut a tablespoon off of the egg. So now what we want to do, put the heat on to high, and we want to stir. Grab your spatula and just break the egg yolks, and you want to break the egg yolks first so that you don't have to do it while it's cooking. And then you want to, if you want, I like doing this, you want to try and chop the butter in half while it's on the stove. Give it a bit of extra time. Yep. And now we just want to stir. We literally just want to stir for the next 5 minutes. Literally 5 minutes. But for that 5 minutes, I will be back in about 30 seconds. Hopefully 30 seconds, if I can time it correctly. Now, what we want to do, scrape the outsides as best as you can every few seconds, just to make sure that nothing gets stuck to the side. Now, it's inevitable that something's going to get stuck on the side, but that's no big deal. You don't actually want that. Alright, so now, let me grab you real quick. Once your eggs look like this, you wanna turn off the heat, right? But you still wanna stir the egg, just to make sure that they don't, overcook or get burnt or something. So you just want to kind of move them around so that they don't stay in one place for long enough so that they burn. But we want to continue to stir, continue to move them around, and then as soon as the eggs stop sizzling, that's when they're about ready. So we'll plate them and we'll be right back. Alright, so we got our plate, and basically now what we want to do, we just want to plate the eggs, I guess. Now, before we do, you want to grab one thing out from here. You want to grab the cheese, right? Mexican blend, it doesn't matter, but what I have is Mexican blend. We got it from there. That's like, I'm in New Jersey. I'm not sure. Oh shit, it's snowing. Damn, bro. Damn. I'm not sure if that's anywhere else or if it's just here. But what we want to do, we want to grab the eggs that you just completed making, and what we want to do You just want to slowly but surely make sure not to spill any like I just did. Sorry, the camera isn't really on me. But really all we just did was we just did this motion right here. We want to put everything in the sink and make sure that we get the water running there so that nothing stays stuck to the pan. And what we want to do, we want to grab, I guess, a handful. Doesn't really matter, you can put as much as you want. I put a handful, but we want to put a handful of cheese, sprinkle it around on the eggs right here. Make sure that it's evenly distributed, and then we just want to put everything back. Alright, so now that everything's back, what we want to do, I'm going to grab our fork, our trusty fork, and we just want to dig in. So I'm going to go over to the table, and I'll see you over there. Alright, now once you guys are done eating, once you guys put everything away, I have not yet, but once everything's in the dishwasher, in the sink, and everything's cleaned, you're done. You're really done. That's about it. We just made eggs. That's really it. But, I mean, it was fun. It was fun recording this. It was fun making this video. I want to make one again. I want to do this again. But that's up to you guys, really. If you guys want to see it, if you guys want to see this one more time, cue Daft Punk music one more time. No. But if you guys want to see this again, please leave a like, leave a comment on if you guys want to see it, what you guys want me to make next. But, I mean, anyways, subscribe. If you guys get me to 200, I will reveal my shoulder blade. But anyways, I'm looking out at the snow. I'm on my phone, so I can't really. I mean, that's about it. See you guys in the next video, whenever that will be, because my upload schedule is absolute AIDS. See ya.